Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to show you the biggest differences in the 2019 Scat Packs. And no, I'm not talking about this thing. I'm not talking about that grill. I'm talking about what everyone doesn't know and what I just found out myself too. Let's hop on inside. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we got here? What do we got here? So check this out. New things I noticed in the new Scat Packs. You're gonna get this leather trim right here. You're gonna get that. Door panels over here are also, they're leather all the way here. And of course you see the stitching and everything in here also. All this is leather. If you saw the finish before, it was like super dull and it was rough and it didn't look nice. But these new door panels, the trim on them looks awesome. It goes all the way across the dash and everything. So if you go up here, the dash, it's got the white stitching, grayish stitching, and it looks super good in it. It goes all the way down to here. So if you're checking out the other Scat Packs, they have that rough texture and everything there, but it's not like that. It's all smooth. So it's really, really nice. It goes all the way around, and I really like this look a lot better than the 18s. So that's another way to tell one of the 19s from the 18s. So looking at the rest of it on the inside, let's check it out. All right, so the first thing you're gonna notice, if I start this thing up, it's a Scat Pack, right? Boom, you get the SRT logo. So that pops up when you hop in the car and when you hop out of it. So that's awesome. Alright, so the radio on the inside, looks like nothing much has changed on that as far as the overall layout and design of it. But you go up to the dash. What I'm going to do here is I am going to go to the performance page in the car. I skipped right by it. And so this menu right here, let's compare that to the 17 Scat Packs real quick. So you're gonna have your 0 to 60 timer. You got your 0 to 100, 1/8 mile, 1/4 mile, of course, braking distance, current G-forces. So if I'm taking a turn, it'll update instantly. Peak G-forces, which is the best you've ever done. Taking off, stopping, and taking a turn. And then there you got your lap timer and your lap history, and boom, your top speed. So that is all the same with the 19 Scat Packs compared to the 18 Scat Packs. That's all the same. Nothing has changed with that. Let me tell you what is different though. Let me show you that real quick. Alright, so for starters, so we're looking at the radio screen right here. New for the 19s, you got line lock. Bam! There's your launch button right there. You got drive modes right there, a button for that. And of course you can turn your park sensors off and whatnot. Launch control, you just hit that button, you go ahead and take off. The car will just go. It'll just take off. And the only thing stopping it is you. Also, if you look in here at the performance pages, I don't know if much else has changed. Of course, you can get the SRT suspension, which then would be completely adjustable up here. This one doesn't have it to it, but the track mode and everything, it's not really changing the suspension and the brakes and everything, but this is just like the sport mode from the last year's model. So as far as the inside goes, that's pretty much everything that's changed this year, and I am going to make a full review on everything and show you what options have changed and what has changed on the outside and all that good stuff too. I'm going to go over all that. I just wanted to show the biggest thing that I think nobody's talking about on the Scat Pack. Of course, you can get stripes and you can get the brake package and all that good stuff. Suspension package the SRT's had. No more SRT. Scat Pack is the SRT. I will be making a full review on that. So other than that, I'm going to show you a couple key things on this real quick that has changed, and other than that, I will see you later. Real quick, comparing the 17s to the 18s to the 19s, a couple things that have changed. Let's get it. That's it guys. If you like Mopar, if you like me, if you like cars, just go ahead and hit subscribe. I will do my best to get you the best quality stuff I can, because that's what I'm here for. I'll see you next time. Peace.